Okay, Windy Bill here. I'm still at the shoe tree. And another one of those markers. So I thought I'd zoom in and let you guys read that. Traveling here August 24th in 1860. Look at that beautiful river flowing down there. I don't know if you can see it, but a lot of water flowing. Okay, we're headed down there and we'll be there shortly for lunch. Thank you for watching. Okay. Windy Bill here. We're going off to the Middle Gate station. Old Middle Gate station, gas and food. And yes, I've ate here. It's fabulous food. Now around here, after we eat, we're gonna go film the hotel, the bar, the restaurant, and all the old buildings around here. So hang on for that. We're all starving, so thank you for watching. Okay. Windy Bill here. Yeah, Windy Bill here. And we're at Middle Gate. Middle Gate restaurant, bar, entertainment area. The go-to place for all the ranchers and stuff in this area. It looks like they have a lot of stuff going on. They got picnic tables. Hey, and it even comes with dogs that bark. But it's got a nice little, in the springtime when it's warmer weather, I bet this is really a nice area. Place for kids to play. Highway 50. I'm just gonna walk around, show you all the antiques and stuff. This would have been a furnace used for melting ore samples. They took an old Ma Bell phone booth, and you can tell that it's a Ma Bell phone booth by the phone wrote in the blue. And it would have had its permit number and license up there in the corner. That's where the telephone would have mounted. I understand the telephone is inside now. We've got diesel pumps. We got gas pumps. $4.89 for diesel, not bad. Got an old wagon here. Everybody and their brothers are here today. Got an old car. We're going to walk over and look at this old car. Got a roof of an old car there. Then we have an old car here. Let you guess what it was. It's got a long front end. Got one headlight, nickel chrome, piece of old farm equipment. The loneliest road in America, Highway 50. And this is a motel here. Let's walk over here and we'll slowly see what's going on. Some old farm equipment. It's going to be a nice place to stay. Got an old bunkhouse. Got an old wash house. We'll walk up. We'll read that sign. Okay, Rawhide is a small town a little ways away from here. And this is one of the last houses that was in Rawhide. Let you read that. Okay. Let's just walk around here, the outside. Got a lot of people. Got a lot of people here. Okay, we're getting ready. We're going to head in and we're going to see about some food.